Hello guys and welcome to your home decor channel. Me is Glam and Designs. Today I have for you two simple and easy DIYs. They're Christmas DIYs and I hope you all enjoy them. And so with nothing else to say, let's begin. Just so you guys know, all the items used on these DIYs will be on the description box below, and most of them are from the Dollar Tree. As you guys see here, we'll be gluing using hot glue these two wreaths. One was a little bit too poor and empty, so I decided to go with two, and obviously you're going to glue the back, which is the wire. To decorate it, I want to go ahead and use these are the largest ones from the Dollar Trees. They're silver flowers, Christmas flowers, and I'll be using the larger ones and then the little ones more ahead. So we start with the larger pieces. And this is so easy, guys. You don't even need glue. All you need is a wire cutter. And the other ornaments that I'll be using, they're clip-on, so it's super easy and you just go on with the desired design. In my case, I'm using the bigger flowers on the bottom, and then the top is gonna be with the smaller flowers. And I really love the way this DIY came out. It is super cute, super glam. It reminds me of a traditional Christmas because of the ornaments that the pigs have, like the little apple and the little gift box. It's super cute and so affordable, you guys, that any one of us can make, and it's super easy. Let me know your thoughts on this DIY. Leave me a comment down below. Moving on to DIY number 2, we'll be using one of these Dollar Tree small trees. And this one, what we do, obviously we start opening the branches. This one is a little bit empty, or maybe a lot, so I'll be using these other picks to fill it in, and all you do is wrap it around and then make like a little bow and apply hot glue. So we're gonna go ahead and do that everywhere. And just so you guys know, a pack of these branches was enough to fill in this little tree. Moving on to the base of this tree, I'll be using this plastic container that I picked up. Everything was from the Dollar Tree in this section. So I'm going to go ahead and create a base for it. So I take a foam board and I mark a square a little bit bigger than the size of the container, obviously, and for the inside we'll be using this garland. Now I'm applying hot glue to the top. We're going to go ahead and glue this to the base. Then I took one of these boas, it is from the Dollar Tree too, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap it around, and I just apply hot glue like in one section and then at the end, so you just go around it. I don't know what happened to that video, it kind of didn't record, so yeah, but that's all I did. Then we'll go ahead and apply hot glue to the bottom of this little tree, and that's it, it's glued to the base. When it came down to decorate it, I knew I wanted to keep it glam. Of course, you know me, guys. I love glam and sparkly things. So these flowers, I ordered them on Amazon and they were amazing. There are 30 on a pack, and the Dollar Tree carries the little ones that are 6 or 4 for $1. Similar size and similar to this one. But you know, for you to find them sometimes it takes a long time. So this was easier, and if you're planning to craft and decorate for Christmas, this will be the perfect flowers to have. I'll go ahead and link these also for you guys in the description box below. Next, I'll be adding these other picks that I picked up at the Dollar Tree as well. And all we do is go randomly and kind of like fill the empty spaces where there is a little hole. That's the main point of what we want to do, and kind of like have a sequence on a zigzag. I finally take this mini boa that I picked up, I believe, at Michael's for like $2, something like that. It was a while ago. I just had it around and I wanted to give the effect of the snow to this little tree. This is a very tiny boa, and so I just go everywhere where I find a little hole and I stick it in and out, and that's what I'm doing until the top. Finally, I take these pics. I believe they're from the Dollar Tree or Walmart. If they're from Walmart, they were probably 99 cents. So I'll be using 2 of these and apply them to the side, inserting into the tree to kind of like create a topper. And then finally, I will go ahead and use these Snow Star. This one is from the Dollar Tree too, and I'll just put it on top. And that's it. We have a tree topper. So at the end, when I thought I was finished, then I realized I kind of didn't like the way it looks and I needed to fill the top. So all I did was took the boa and went around that base, and it kind of like created a skirt that I did like. So I am going to go ahead and trim the sides and make it exactly the size of the container, so that way it looks all covered. And here's our Glam baby tree. I really loved the way it came out. It's super cute and adorable. I have it on my entryway right here, you guys, but I feel like it will look good everywhere. Maybe I'll take it to my office, on the desk. It's just perfect for everywhere in your house, even a bathroom, because it's so tiny. Let me know your thoughts on this DIY and all of them. And if you're not part of the family, guys, I would love to have you here. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell button to get notified every time I upload a video. I have a video coming up on Saturday, another Christmas DIY. It is a collaboration, so it will be very interesting, you guys. So stay tuned for that. And if you don't follow me on my social media platforms, I would love to have you on my Instagram page at Mimi's Designs, at Totally Glam Decor. This is it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.